Welcome to my second video from the Baltic Sea. If you didn't have watched my first video, you should do it immediately to understand why I was there and how I was living. Today I will show you the flat above, the penthouse suite, and also the surrounding.
5 a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down.
Such a beautiful apartment, and the view so stunning, amazing. Just imagine to cook in this kitchen and have this view. Well, I had exactly the same view in my flat, but yeah, perfect. So if you want to know what's in the basement, you should be following this video until the end. And also if you like to see me playing billiard.
And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't want to do this anymore. No, I just want to say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run till we fall apart. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. 9 to 5, we're all on the hustle. We wanna get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow, and that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us.
So first we went to the mountains. So there's mountains direct by the sea, which is not really often. And it's called Kühlung. And it was so beautiful. Just a few minutes and you are in the mountains. Perfect. Okay, maybe it's just little hills, but it was nice. And after that I went to the lighthouse, the tallest lighthouse in Germany. Well, it's only 20 meters high, but it's on a little hill. So in combination with this too, it's the tallest. Then I went to Reykjavik. It's a little town direct at the beach also. And they have a beautiful Seebrücke, which is a pier, and a little mountain where you have a beautiful view. And yeah, you can also take a ship and yeah, see the whole place by boat. And for dinner time, I plan to visit a nice restaurant at the harbor, which I will show you. And after that, I show you how I play billiard.
And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't want to do this anymore. Hey. No, I just want to say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight.
So I'm just back from dinner. I was just next to my house at a restaurant called Viel Meer. It means much more, but also much sea, ocean. So it's funny. But it was so delicious. I had burgers and fries, sweet potato fries, but also salmon and risotto. And yeah, I really loved it. So if you're ever in Kühlungsborn, go there. So this is the spa area, and you have a large sauna and relax area. And before you relax, you can also do some sports. They have everything you need. And if you don't like this kind of sports, then you can also use this kind of sport. They have table tennis, billiard. It's called Kicker in German, and dart. So, and now I will use these.
And run till we fall apart. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. No, they don't pick us what's up?
So I have to apologize for not filming these kind of videos as vlogs, because I plan to do more vlogs like on the go filming, and it's so difficult if you don't have so much time and are with people that don't understand exactly what you're doing. And also, yeah, it's difficult if you are in a hurry. So I hope that you still understand or like these kind of videos where you can see what I did. Not just daily vlogging style. So I don't think next week will be better with vlogging, but I will be filming again next week. Busy week. So stay tuned, follow me and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much.